Welcome to the channel, folks. So today's gonna be a quick project. I wanna upgrade the LED reverse lights on my 2016 F-250 Super Duty. And I wanna go ahead and replace the cheap eBay kind of LED reverse lights I have that are out. One side is completely gone. I went ahead and upgraded to the NOVsight LED reverse lights, as well as I wanna compare them to the AUXBeam, which is also a very popular LED reverse light. These are the 3157 bulbs, and I'm going to go try both of them out and see which ones I like. But I will provide the information for both of these products down below the video. But NOVsight was very nice to supply these bulbs for me to try them out and to evaluate and to install them on my truck and to see how they do over time. So I'm going to give my honest review, as well as I want to cover another set which I have sitting around, which is the AUXBeam. So let's take a look at what the bulbs look like, kind of up close and personal, and then I'm going to go ahead and install them on the truck and show you how quick and easy it is. All right, so first we have the NOVsight. So as you can see, slightly different design than the AUXBeam. Okay, the NOVsight's very high quality, all aluminum construction. There's a single emitter. There's nothing on the side of the bulb, so that's a very unique design. So we're going to see how that works out when I install them in my Recon taillights. These are aftermarket taillights on my Super Duty LEDs, and I'm going to go ahead and install them, obviously, for the reverse light, which is a plug-and-play, just like a factory bulb. But these NOVsights actually are really nice. I have a NOVsight set of LED headlights that I'm very happy with. They're very bright, very clear, very bright white light for nighttime. I'm enjoying those driving on the road. So far, I'm very happy with those LED light bulbs for my headlights. So this is the equivalent for your reverse light. So I wanted something more brighter for my reverse lights because I don't have auxiliary lights. I just want to rely on kind of the factory bulbs location for my light. So I want a little bit more light. And hopefully this is what it's going to take care of my issue when it comes to very poor lighting, when it comes to reversing, and, you know, just giving more light at nighttime when I'm reversing at the truck. It's better to have more light than less light. But here are the AUXBeam. As you can see, more of a traditional setup. You got emitters all the way around. You got a whole bunch of LEDs. You got almost like, I don't know, 18 LEDs, something like that. A whole bunch of them, compared to the one single LED on this one. So we're going to see how these two compare, okay? This one right here has, you know, the ability to provide more diffuse, kind of omnidirectional light, kind of like around the light bulb as well as forward. Well, essentially backwards in this case, since it's a reverse light, not a headlight or turn signal. But you get the idea. This is going to be a quick comparison. I'll show you some clips, both of them in action. But both are really high quality. I really like the NOVsight stuff. Like I said, this is aluminum construction. When you pick it up, it feels quality. The aluminum will help dissipate heat. Okay, this one here, the AUXBeams, they have partial aluminum, like the base on the bulb is aluminum, but then this is plastic, the socket itself. Okay, so really high quality. This whole bulb is aluminum, believe it or not. Okay, so even the socket piece that goes into the harness, into the plug, the factory connector. So the NOVsight, get a really up close shot of them. And you got the AUXBeam. So I'm gonna go try these out. Just really quick, I wanna show you what I had in here before. These are real cheap Amazon, you know, LED cheapies that I had in there. I forget when, you know, when I bought them, but they only lasted like a year or so. They really didn't last that long. But emitter, LED emitters all the way around, especially with a nice like little domed shaped lens on the front here. But obviously these no-name kind of cheapies didn't do really well because one burnt out on me. You go figure, LEDs are supposed to last a very long time. So let me go ahead and really quick install these, one on one side and one on the other, so I can do a comparison. I'll do some night shots in the following clips. So let's go take a look at that. All right, so let's take a look at what they look like at nighttime. Both very bright, I can tell you that for sure. NOVsights are still very bright. I'm very happy with that lighting output. Now, it's a matter of what the pattern is, and that's kind of hard to gauge on a video, but I will say I think the AUXBeams have a slight edge when it comes to brightness and filling that reflector of the housing, of the Recon housing. This definitely projects light backwards, not so much in the reflector. As you can see, like on the bumper here, you got some casting of the light on top of here, but over here we have a lot more casting of the light kind of directly below the bumper, okay? So I'm going to try to see if I can get that on camera here. The pattern, maybe if I just close this garage door, we can really see what the pattern is on the garage door itself. So let's go do that. But if you look at it, the AUXBeam definitely fills the reflector better. And when it comes to patterns, that's what we get. So we have, if you're looking at it here, on the right you have the NOVsight, on the left in the video is the AUXBeam, okay? And both are doing a great job at illuminating. This one has kind of a pattern on it, like of lines, but both do a great job illuminating. And I actually want to say, so if you look at the ground here, the NOVsight, it actually is projecting more light somehow, even all the way up here, you know, to the side, okay, and on the ground. Still a lot of light out here with the AUXBeam, but just not as, it's just more diffuse. I don't know why that is, but so we're on the left side, the AUXBeam here, lighting stuff up, but the ground is still kind of lit up, but not as lit up as over here with the NOVsight, which is very surprising because that single emitter still is doing a lot of work for one emitter compared to the, like, I don't know, the dozen or the 18 counts of emitters on the AUXBeam. There's a lot more LED diodes on the AUXBeam, LED emitters, versus the NOVsight. But this is very interesting. I'm actually going to keep these on the truck the way they are and see which one performs better over time, which one I think gives me a better, you know, better lights up the rear end of the truck. And from right now, I can tell you that it looks like almost like the NOVsight is projecting and casting more light against the garage door and the wall here at the side of the house. So very interesting. If you were to look at just the bulb itself, it's like a very singular kind of light source, versus here it's more diffuse and you can see the reflector actually working. So if you go by looks, I would say the looks of the AUXBeam is actually more aesthetically pleasing because it actually uses the reflector of the housing, versus this, not so much. It looks like almost like a you're looking at a star, okay? It's a very singular, you know, light source. The reflector almost, you can't tell what's going on behind it, okay? This just has a much more aesthetic look, if that's something that you're interested in. The AUXBeam is more aesthetically pleasing, if that's, you know, something you're worried about. But I don't know. They both kind of, they both have their strong suits. I think the NOVsight is the one I'm gonna be sticking with because, but like I said, I'm just gonna run both of these side by side and see how they do. Very impressive. I'm very impressed with the single LED emitter on the NOVsight with the light output you get here. Look at, I mean, look at it. The whole ground is kind of lit up and all the way to the side here. Not so much with that AUXBeam. That side is kind of still lit up, but a little more diffuse. Still way better than what I had in there, for sure. My previous light bulbs, the LED light bulbs, did not project as much light as this. But either way, I will provide the information for both of these. I want to thank NOVsight for sending me these light bulbs out to test out and to try out on my truck and to review. But like I said, check out the links below the video. I want to see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching and take care.